Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 10 of the Margaret Miller Challenge. And today we are supposed to have a hat. Yeah, if that's not a hat, I don't know what is. We need something that represents transportation. I've got this train. I've got stamping in non-black ink. I'm thinking about using copper. I'm not 100% sure, but that's what I'm leaning towards right now. And I've got some stamps, and I've got my number stamps that I will also stamp. And this is something about numbers. I've got this little thing of numbers. And hometown, whatever that means to you. And to me, it means Starkville. Now, I grew up in Columbus, but when I went to Mississippi State when I was 18, and Starkville has been home to me ever since. That's, here's where I met my husband, and here's where I've lived since we've gotten married. So I pulled out some vintage images of Mississippi State. This is the chemical laboratory, and then one of the older vintage images of the Mississippi State Bulldog Bully. And our bonus is geometric shapes. And I just punched some pieces of scrapbook paper, and I've also got this piece I thought was very interesting. Not sure how I'm going to use this all, but we'll figure it out together. So let's get started. I'm going to start with my biggest image, and I think I'm going to go ahead and cut out the train. Let me see if I can work it in without doing that. But see, my lady is a nice size picture. I may come down some. I love the background of the train. I love the whole picture, so I hate to not have it, but it may just be what I have to do. Excuse me. That may just be what I have to do. So she looks like a lady who would be riding on the first class car of a train. I think I'm just gonna fussy cut this train out. Or at least, maybe I'll just do it. Fussy tear. Okay, I think I'm done. I've got my hat, I've got my transportation, I've got my stamping in non-black, I've got my numbers, and I've got numbers around, and I've got number 10 for today's challenge. I've got my hometown of Starkville, home of Mississippi State Bulldogs, and our bonus is the geometric shapes. And I'm real happy with the way it turned out. I really like it. I love the colors. And I love her hat. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.